Here I've got LG K11 and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to locate and open the camera app. It's right here. Then tap on the settings icon and then go to timer. And just select if you would like to have 3 seconds or 10 seconds delay. I will pick 3 seconds, and as you can see, from now on the picture will be taken after 3 seconds, so let me show you. And that's it. Obviously, if you would like to activate it for 10 seconds, then the countdown will be a bit longer, so let me show you that it's working properly. Let me pick 10 seconds, and now it will be 10 seconds delay. And that's it. If you'd like to switch the timer off, go to the timer one more time and select off. As you can see, now we are in the normal mode, which is taken the pictures right after your click. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can activate, use and deactivate camera timer in your LG K11. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.